Industry 4.0 is a new era, if you like, for machines to enable new levels of automation by adding what we would call pervasive sensing.
Pre-Industry 4.0, it was all about disconnected machines. Now we have a world where it's possible to sense and measure everything.
As consumers, we're more demanding than we used to be. There's higher demand for higher quality products. We're used to faster delivery time of products. So manufacturers actually have to respond to very changing market dynamic and buying behaviors.
Manufacturing companies have to transform themselves, but we're seeing it happening much faster than people would have realized.
One of the challenges that they face is, well, how do they embrace this future and how do they transition? We've been serving the industrial market for decades now.
We are the company with trusted measurement, trusted sensing.
Our technology is being brought to bear across every possible flavor of manufacturing that you can think of. These production facilities have different sensor types as well as actuators. That's where the data is born.
You could see a case where a machine goes down for maintenance because of some bearing that may go out of spec.
What you need for that then is the deployment of sensors so that you can pull data from those and actually run some interesting analytics to predict when that machine might fail. You don't necessarily need to schedule those days or weeks of downtime, which would ultimately lead to productivity loss. Another transition in the area of robotics is this proliferation of cobots or collaborative robots. Not only do we help with precision and precise control of those robotic arms themselves, we also introduce then technologies which allow those machines using 3D or depth sensing, proximity sensing, to actually detect when there's a human nearby and make sure that the human is never physically hurt.
You've got an ability now with much longer data sets to be able to network everything together.
We help our customers enable that technology and allowing all of the different pieces of equipment to have a common understanding so they can keep their original proprietary nature but operate on a network. With the introduction of the sensors and more analytics, it allows them to develop new business models. These business models are very much software focused. So for us, it's a wonderful opportunity to solve bigger problems.
When you look at the history of innovation, it's really what is called a combinatorial process, where we use ingredients from many, many different places to create new combinations, new ways of managing the world, seeing the world, making impact on human lives. We really are in an era that is limited only by our imaginations.